Namaste students, my name is Dr. Neeraj Bhulia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss a practical session that is study of window making process in unfertilized egg. So how to do the experiment of window making in the eggs. The name of the subject is developmental biology lab. So let's start. So the aim of the experiment is to study the window making process in unfertilized egg. So why we do the window making process and what is the application of this? So the study of development has been greatly aided by the use of the chick embryo as an experimental model. So the ease of accessibility of the embryo has allowed for experiment to map cell pairs using these several approaches. In addition, it allows for molecular perturbations of several types, including the placement of the protein-coated beads and the introduction of plasma DNA using in ovo electroporation. So these experiments have yielded important data on the development of the central and peripheral nervous system. For many of these studies, it is necessary to open the eggshell and reclose it without perturbing the embryo's growth. So the embryo can be examined and at successive developmental stages by reopening and the eggshell. So in this method, the egg rests on its side and a small window is cut in the shell. After the experiment procedure, the shell is used to cover the egg for the duration of its development. The clear plastic tape overlaying the eggshell protects the embryo and helps retain hydration during the remainder of the incubation period. So overall, we do this for study of developmental biology or the organogenesis. So how the organs are formed, what is the process, how the angiogenesis is performed. To see the changes in the developing embryo, we use this process. So for some ethical issues, we do not using here the fertilized egg. So we are practicing the window making process by using the unfertilized egg. So the requirement is an incubator which can maintain humidity, the unfertilized egg, egg holder, ethanol, gauze, scotch tape, needle and scissor. So let's talk about the procedure. So the eggs are incubated under the standard condition, that is the 37.5 degrees Celsius temperature and 60 to 70% humidity in the incubator. So after first 24 hours of incubation, the eggs were processed in a careful manner to make a window over the shell of the eggs. So eggs was taken out from the incubator, maintaining their horizontal position, and as they were carried to the bench. So they were placed in the horizontal position in a pre-cleaned egg holder and were wiped with the 70% ethanol soaked gauze before making the window. So a piece of a white scotch tape was pasted along the axis of the egg so that the tape covered most of the top of the egg. Now rounded ends of the egg were covered with a small piece of tape, and the tape covered rounded ends were punctured using a needle. So around 3 to 5 ml of albumin was withdrawn, and the needle, the position of the needle was the around 45 degree position. So this allowed the embryo to move away from the upper surface of the egg. So where the window was to be cut. So this small hole was sealed after albumin extraction by the another piece of the tape. So with the tip of a scissor, the tape covered tops of the egg were punctured about a half an inch of center. The oval cut was not completed end to end. So leaving a hinge type of shell lid on the top of the egg. So this shell lid was closed off over the window by means of a tape of piece. Now the eggs were replaced in the incubator. They were removed from the incubator daily for not more than 5 minutes per session. So and they were observed, photographed, and videos by merely opening up the lids and securing after the observation. So precautions, the eggs should be handled with care, and you should maintain the proper temperature and humidity for proper incubation of the eggs. So you will write the result here, what you have observed, and hope you are satisfied with this little session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.